I guess you're right. We'll just have to hold our noses and vote for the lesser evil.
Mom, Dad, don't be such dinosaurs. Participatory democracy is where it's at. We need a citizens' assembly.
Oh, a citizens' assembly? What's that?
Yeah, I never heard of the Citizens Assembly before. Sounds complicated and weird.
Well, let me explain. First, to start with a mandate. What's the issue at hand? Then pose a question. What actions can we take? What is our best plan? Then you invite randomly selected ordinary folks who represent their population instead of billionaires like Jeff Bezos. Citizens assembly, the people assemble a plan. Step right up, step right up. We need ordinary dinosaurs to collaborate on a plan to address the meteor crisis. Regular people only here, no corporate lobbyists or politicians only concerned with their next campaign. You there, with the glasses, want to participate in participatory democracy? Step right up. And you over there, help add your wisdom to the wisdom of the crowd. We don't have enough herbivores in the group, and we need your perspective. They hear a lot from experts to make an informed decision. Thank you, Beaker, for your thoughts on interstellar collisions. They investigate the issue from every point of view. Trained facilitators keep them on track as they talk and talk it through. It's a thorough process tackling complex issues at hand. Citizens assembly, the people assemble a plan. Oh, citizens assembly, the people assemble a plan. All right, Citizens Assembly, on how to survive a deadly meteor. You've all discussed the issue thoroughly. Now, what are your findings?
Well, after careful deliberation, we've determined that the best solution would be for all of the dinosaurs of the world to gather on one side of the planet, hold hands, and jump as the meteor approaches. That will shift the Earth out of its orbit just enough to dodge certain death and save us all.
Gee, mister, we'd sure have to put all our differences aside to all hold hands and jump at the same time.
That's right, Jilly. But it'll all be worth it to avoid extinction so that little dinosaurs like yourself can have a bright future.
Okay, everybody, there's not much time to spare. Everyone hold hands. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for coming. And thank you to our fabulous cast. You can find more information in the playbills. You can also go to our website, we're Extinction Rebellion, and the website is xrr.nyc. Or follow us on social media at xrnyc. And we have Bitsy here to say a few more words.
Hi everybody, thank you so much for that amazing performance. Can we give them another round of applause? Wasn't that fabulous? They've been working so hard on this. This is a subject that's really close to my heart because our government is failing us, and I think all of us know that right now. Things are gonna get worse before they get better, and the evidence is all around us. And the thing is that the government wasn't designed by us or for us, and it isn't made of us either. In the words of Sherry Davis, government is the people who show up, but really, it's the people who can show up. And this is our reality. New York City's government is led by people able to raise hundreds of thousands of dollars to win elected office, or who have enough time and resources to donate their time and energy in exchange for political power and influence. So what does a better government look like? Imagine you're sitting at home cooking dinner and there's a knock on the door, and the person at the door offers you a part-time job. It's only 20 hours a month for 6 months, and the pay isn't great. It's just minimum wage. But childcare and transportation are provided, and all in-person meetings are catered. You show up on your first day and you meet your new coworkers. 499 of your neighbors that authentically represent the tapestry of cultures that call New York City home. Only a third of the people in the room are white, a quarter are black, a quarter Latinx, and 1 in 7 are Asian. Half the people in the room speak another language, and a third were born outside the US. You sit down at a table with 9 of your New York City neighbors. There's 1 person over the age of 65 and 2 under 18, 1 person who makes over $104,000 a year, and 2 living in poverty. At least a couple of people at that table can't vote because of their documentation status, and of the few that are registered, only 2 voted in the last citywide election. So think to yourself, what would it feel like to sit at that table? What kind of conversations do you think you'd have? Your part-time job over the next 6 months is to collaborate with your neighbors and city agencies to assemble a racial and climate justice-centered plan for the future of New York City as we recover from the intersectional crises of this moment. You might be in a food systems group, or sea rise, transportation, air quality, energy, waste management. Through a series of facilitated meetings, you and your neighbors learn from diverse experts, hear from a wide array of stakeholders, have hard conversations, find common ground, and co-create pathways to a safer future. This is what a citizens' assembly looks like. This is what a government of, by, and for the people looks like. A trauma-informed government that gives all people a voice in community actualization. A government where we and all our neighbors take turns as civic leaders. A government that is worthy of New York City and all her wonderful and beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to know more information, go to the Extinction Rebellion website. It's xrr.nyc.